Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you for everyone to be here and watching my video. Still, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Okay, let us start today's session. The topic is time and work. Time and work is very important topic for all competitive examinations nowadays. Even for campus interviews also, this topic is very important. So look into the topic time and work. What is the relation between time and work? Remember, if work is more, requirement time is also more. If our work is less, requirement time is also less. So we can clearly say that time and work are proportional to each other. If work is increased, time requirement is increased. If work is decreased, time requirement is decreased. Before going to the sums, my suggestion is please learn the basic concept of a time and work. Don't go directly with shortcut methods. When you are clear with the concept, it is very easy how to apply the shortcuts for every question. Okay, look into the some questions. A can do the piece of work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 15 days. In how many days they work together will do the same work? Option A given 5 days, option B given 6 days, and option C given 8 days, and option D given 9 days. According to the given question, A is a person can do the work in 10 days. Okay, and B can do the work in 15 days. I am finding, please listen carefully, 1 day work of A. One day work of A, the reciprocal of the number of days A can work. So 1 by 10. Similarly, 1 day work for B will be 1 by 50. Our required answer is A and B together how many days they will work to complete the same work. So addition only, together means addition. So A plus B will be addition of 1 by 10 plus addition of 1 by 15. So addition of 1 by 10 plus addition of 1 by 15. So LCM of 15 and 10 will be 30. So it will be 30 and 10 table in 30 cancel 3 times. 15 table cancel here 2 times. So addition is 3 plus 2 will becomes 5 divided by 30. 5 table in 30 cancel 6 times. So answer is 1 by 6. But remember, 1 by 6 days is not answer. It is 1 day work of A and B together. Our requirement is how many days they will complete the whole part of work. So it is a reciprocal you find. We can say that its reciprocal is 6. So 6 days they will complete the work. So option B will be the correct answer. Now go for the short method. How to apply the simple way. Given data is same. 10 days. A short method, please remember. Given data, I'll write same. A complete in 10 days, B will complete in 15 days. Okay, find LCM. So LCM will be, for find 10 and 15, it will becomes 30. So very clearly, we should identify. LCM is 30. Identify carefully. 30. This is for A and this is for B. What I am trying to find, the efficiency of A and B will find. So here is 10 parts. 30 divided by 10 will get us 3 parts. So 30 divided by 15 will get us 2. Okay. Here we got as 3 and 2. 3 is the efficiency of A. 2 is the efficiency of B. So we can say 30 is divided by, our requirement is A plus B together how many days? So addition of 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Then it will be cancelled in 6 days. So they can complete in 6 days. This is how we can apply the short method. Okay, let's move for the one more question. The question number 2. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. working together, they will complete the same work in option A 1 by 24 days, and option B 3 by 7 days, and option C 7 by 24 days, and option D 4 days. Okay, directly we'll go for the short method. Given data is A can work in 24 days and B can work in 6 days and C can work in 12 days. So what is the short method? We need to find the LCM of 24, 6 and 12. So 24 is a greater number, definitely it is a multiple of 24 and it is also multiple of 24. Then we can say that the LCM is 24. So next what we need to do, efficiencies we should find for A, B and C. So this is A we consider, this is B and this is C. So in 24 table cancel how many times ma? It will be cancelled in one time. And B if we got as 6 days. In 24 6 will cancel in 4 times. So in 24 12 table cancel in 2 times. So 1 is the efficiency of A, B is 4 is the efficiency of B, 2 is the efficiency of C. So required question is how many days they working together complete the whole work. So 24 by working together means addition 1 plus 4 plus 2. Addition is 7. So in 24 7 table is not exactly cancelled. So mixed fraction will come. Here it will be 3 times is 21. So 3 is whole part and remaining is 3. So 3 by 7 is a mixed part. So this will be the required answer. Then we can say 3 by 7 days they can complete the required work. Let's move for the one more question. A and B can do the work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. If A, B, C work together, will complete work in option A 5 days, option B 7 5 by 6 days, and option C 10 days, option D 15 2 by 3 days. So same short method will go according to the given question. Here's together given A and B working together. So A plus B working together in 12 days they can complete. And next B, C together working is in 15 days they can complete. And C plus A will complete in 20 days. So take the LCM. Short method we know very well. Taking the LCM. So LCM will be for 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So let us find the efficiency of together. Okay, they are working together now. We should also find efficiency of together. So I am writing A plus B efficiency and B plus C efficiency and C plus A efficiency. So here it given working 12 days. So 12 table in 60 how many times will cancel? 5 times. So next B plus C is 15 days. So 15 table cancel in 4 times. And 20 table C plus A working in 20 days, it will cancel in 3 days. So the required answer is 60 divided by working all together. Working all together means 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So here it is 12. 12 table cancel in 60 will be 5 days. So don't go directly answer option A 5 days. But remember A working here and A working here, B working here, B also working here, C working here, C also working here. It means what? Everyone will appear in 2 times of the working. Okay, 2 times the working. So we need to multiply. The required answer is 2. That will be 10 days. So option is C is the correct answer. Are you clear? One more time, Alexa. See. Here A plus B efficiency. A plus B now A is involving here. Here you identify C plus A. A is involving in this with C also. B is involving with C and B is involving with A. Means every person will appear in 2 times the work. So after finding the work, we should multiply with 2. Our required answer is 10 days. Okay, let us discuss one more question. A can finish the work in 18 days. B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and A left the job, in how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? See, here A and B have to finish the work in 18 and 15 days. But B started the work and worked for 10 days. Don't worry, the method will remain same. Okay, and given data, A can finish the work in 18 days, B can be finished in 15 days. So we need to find the LCM. So LCM for these two numbers. So 18 and 15. It will be 90 the LCM. So we need to find the efficiency of A and efficiency of B also. So 18 days A can work. So efficiency means LCM divided with 18. It will be cancelled in 5 times. And efficiency of B, how to find the work done? 15 days, we should 90 divided by 15 will get us 6. So before and all we did like together work means 5 plus 6. But in this question, B started the work and worked for 10 days. So what is the efficiency of B? 6 is the efficiency of B. So 6 into 10 days he worked. No, efficiency of the how many days? Efficiency into how many days he worked. So 10 days he worked. So 6 into 10, 60. So out of 90 parts, he can complete 60 parts. He completed 60 parts. So remaining how much parts of work is left? So 90 minus 60. Why? Because he already completed, B alone completed 60 parts. So 90 minus 60 will be 30. So this is the remaining work. So this work can be completed by whom? The remaining person A. Why? Because B left the job. So 30 is divided by, what is the efficiency of A? We got as 5, no? So divide with 5. 5 table in 30 cancel in 6 times. So we can say the remaining work completed by A alone is 6 days. Okay, look into the one more question. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days B had to leave the job and A alone need to complete the work. So remaining work can be completed by A in how many days? Option A 8 days, option B 10 days, option C 12 days and option D 15 days. Okay, the question may be varies, but method we should follow same. This shortcut is applicable for all the method. So given data, A can complete work in 15 days, B can complete the work in 10 days. What is the method we followed previous? Same. So LCM we should find. LCM is equal to 30 you may get, and we should find what? Efficiency of A. So efficiency of B. 15 days you will complete, right? So efficiency is 2 and here 10. Efficiency is 3. So A will be 2 is efficiency, B is 3 is efficiency. Means B is faster when compared to A. According to the question, A and B together worked 2 days. Together means what? Addition. So 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 parts of work and they worked in 2 days. So 5 2s are 10. Out of 30 parts, they together completed in 2 days 10 parts. What is the remaining work? 30 minus 10 only. So difference is 20. These 20 parts can be completed by whom? B is left the job after 2 days. So B is not available to do the work. So A need to complete the work. So these 20 parts of work can be completed by A alone. So 20 by 2 it will be 10 days. So A can complete the remaining work in 10 days. But our requirement, the question is how many days whole work is completed. Initially 2 days of work, now 10 days of work. Together means total requirement time is 12 days. So answer is 12 days is a correct answer. I hope all of you understand the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends. And thank you for watching.